Hey fam, so this is Mama J. I want to show you a quick little secret in making chicken wings. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Alright, now hold up. So I use this lemon pepper. Let me grab it. Excuse me. Trying to wake my baby. Okay. Lemon pepper. And if you see the little thing over here with my daughter's birthday, you give me a shout out down below and say I think you can. But yeah, and then I also put this in there. Y'all, it's gonna be so good. So let's go on over here. I'm gonna put it on top because you want some good, somewhat lemon pepper, chicken wings. Right, make sure you wash your hands. Alright, so y'all see that? I know that's good, doesn't it? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put it in my lovely air fryer. So y'all see my air fryer? Yes, you can get these at Best Buy. They're online, and yeah. But let me go ahead and put the wings in, and I'll come back and show you the end results. Okay? All right, guys. So I'm coming back at you again. So I want to show you how I make my sauce. You can get this brand at Walmart. Kroger also has a brand similar to this. I can't do it like spicy, so I ain't going out like that. Also, include this. It helps. So I'm going to stir that up. So you can use any silverware to stir it up. Because the honey, let me put y'all right in here on my phone. So because the honey is so thick, you have to really get in there and get it together. So you got to just get in there. I know y'all probably like, why are you using honey? Well, y'all eat honey on y'all chicken, right? So why not eat honey on this if you're doing honey wings? Okay, so that's stirred up pretty good. Y'all see that? Yes, I said stirred. Don't talk about it. Let me clean up my little mess I made over here because I was trying to hold the phone in. Stir. Correct my language. I got I've also included, you may not be able to hear me that well, so I'll go ahead and fix the voice in a minute. But yeah, this is what it's gonna look like. You can also add anything you would like in it. And again, these are the products I use. This one, and then that one, which is bought at Walmart. But you can also get it a brand of that at Kroger. So, all right, I'm gonna be back with another part. Thank you. Love you. Alright, guys. Before I put the sauce on it, this is what my air fried chicken looks like. And of course, don't talk about my grease pan because I'm gonna clean my air fryer out in a minute. But then this here is my fries. The air fryer takes out all the grease out of your food. It leaves you a little bit, but not like that, you know, heart attack grease. It leaves you just enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all my sauce on it, and I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, so this is Mama J. So if you like what you've seen, make sure you like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up at the bottom of the page. Of course, some of the music you may hear today, I do not own any rights to this music, but this is definitely my recipe and things that I put together myself personally. Alright, you guys have a good day. And again, Mama J loves you, and we're out.